Have a look at this. This is Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. We're just working on a polycarbonate roof. It's a reasonable size. It's on an addition to the back of the house to create a space for entertaining and dining for these folks. And you can see here it's a very steady, heavy build-up of lichen, and it looks pretty bad. Now just remember with these roofs, I think I might have mentioned it in our other videos. If you haven't checked them out, I'd encourage you to do so. But basically this sheeting is very hardy for the most part. Even when it's 10 to 15 to 20 years old, we can still clean it effectively without breaking it or weakening it in any way. And that means that you can actually get it cleaned at I guarantee you, a lesser price, much lesser price than replacing it. And you don't contribute to landfill, okay? Plus the fact that you can then re-enjoy the space over which the roof is, okay? So those are the advantages of getting it done. I'm just going to show you on the top side here so you can see what it's like. So it's basically lichen. As you can see, this is a kind of organic growth. I'm not sure if it's an algae, but that's what you see here. It's a reasonable sized roof. So we'll just start working very much from the we'll spray it all down with a chemical mold and mildew treatment. To kill this, you must kill this to kill the spores. Pressure cleaning this is not going to do anything in terms of it'll grow back faster unless you actually kill the spores of the lichen. So that's the first and foremost thing that we'll do. Spray up the entire roof. Okay, and then we're going to start a low wash on it. I'll show you the process as we go. Okay, so this is the spraying of the mold and mildew treatment. Like I say, this is a vital part of the success of cleaning. Also gives you, the customer, a better longevity of before this algae regrows back. Okay, so it's a kind of mold and mildew, so it will come back. It is less time to come back when you spray this treatment up front. You can start to see here, it starts to go brown and it'll eventually fade to white. Once it's given a bit more, another 5-10 minutes, you can start seeing some of it going white over there actually. So that's what we're looking for. And anyone who doesn't do this or doesn't offer this as part of the work, I would question if it's really going to be a better price. Sorry, a clean. Sorry, let me repeat that. Anyone who doesn't provide, let me repeat that. So anyone who doesn't provide a mold and mildew treatment as part of the cleaning of this kind of roof, or even any general roof, is not going to give you as good a result as I will, for sure. Okay, I'll show you the results. So this is the progress. You can see how well this has come up, and we're just working steadily through here. And to give you an idea, you know, it's not high pressure. I'll show you here. Put my hand right there. So it goes to show you that we're not using high pressure. It's just a way that we need to get rid of these root systems somehow. So if you can not let your roof get this bad, we'll have a better chance of getting rid of these root systems. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful results. really happy with that, and they can now re-enjoy this space, you know, entertain, and they don't have to do this most likely for another 8 to 10 years. Okay, and the sheeting is absolutely perfect. There's been no damage to the sheeting whatsoever. The only thing I would suggest to people is, I'd say, try not to let the lichen grow so deep, because if you come here a bit closer, you'll see some minor residual root marks here, which once the lichen sets into the plastic or polycarbonate, it's sometimes hard to get those out, because it's actually kind of lodged its roots into the plastic. It does the same with glass, it does the same with rocks, it does the same with wood. So, you know, that's just something to bear in mind, but I think some fantastic results. I'll just show you here from the top side so you can see that as well. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? Absolutely beautiful. Magic. And again, like I say, this is, you know, this is a long-term result, so it's something that you can bank on. At least every property is different, which is why I don't offer a warranty on a clean, because it depends which way the roof is facing, it depends if there's trees shrouded over the roof, etc. So it's all about moisture, how much moisture is being held in the location and the area of where the roof is located, and that'll depend on the regrowth and how quickly that comes back. But here it's very clear. I would be surprised if they call me back before 8 to 10 years. Hope you enjoyed watching the videos. Do check out our other ones online. There's a whole range of cleaning applications that we perform, and we'd be happy to give you a quote when you're ready. Thanks for watching.